Welcome to this short tutorial where we would like to show you how to install Level of Interest for MetaTrader 5. First, log into your browser backend, scroll down and use this button to download the MetaTrader 5 installation file for LOI. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac and extract the zip file in the Downloads folder. Inside the folder, you will find the .ex5 file, a color overview for the levels, an installation guide, and a link to this tutorial. You now need to place the ex5 file into the MetaTrader subfolder. The process is slightly different on Windows and Mac. On Windows, open MetaTrader, go to File, and then click Open Data folder. In the window that opens, open the NQL5 folder and then the Experts folder inside it. Drag and drop the ex5 file into this folder and then restart MetaTrader. On Mac, proceed as follows. Press and hold Command plus space, then type Terminal into the search bar. In Terminal, enter the following command line and press Enter. Terminal will now automatically search for the correct MetaTrader MQL5 folder on your computer. On Mac, this folder is hidden and can be located in different paths depending on where you originally downloaded MetaTrader from, which is why this method is necessary. Once Terminal has found the correct path, highlight it and press Command plus C to copy it to the clipboard. Then open Finder, click Go in the top menu bar, and then go to Folder. Paste the copied path there using Command plus V and press Enter. In the folder that opens, open the Experts folder. Then open a second Finder window with the Downloads folder, go to the LOI folder, highlight the ex5 file, and press Command plus C. Go back to the Experts folder and press Command plus V to paste the ex5 file there. Then restart MetaTrader. Under Experts, you will now find the level of interest on the left-hand side. Drag the indicator onto the market you subscribe to, for example the US 500.cash CFD for the S&P 500. Then go back to the browser backend for a level of interest and use this button to copy your license key to the clipboard. Back in MetaTrader, you can open the LOI indicator settings at any time by double-clicking here or making a right-click into the chart. Go to Inputs, right-click next to License Key and click Paste. Please note, Command plus V does not work here on Mac. Next, click Tools at the top and then Options. Under the Experts Advisors tab, check the box for Allow Web Request for Listed URL. Under the Experts Advisors tab, check the box for Allow Web Request for Listed URL. Then click the plus symbol and add the following URL. Now go back to the Level of Interest plugin settings. In this case, you must enter ES as the symbol since you want to import the levels from the S&P 500 future. In the final step, you need to set the correct offset. Your S&P 500 CFD will of course have a slightly different price than the ES future, which is what we use to analyze our levels. Since there is no single universal S&P 500 CFD and this price difference can change slightly from day to day, this value must be updated manually each day. However, this is very easy to do based on the previous day's high and previous day's low. The previous day's high is a yellow level and the previous day's low is a turquoise level. You simply adjust the offset value until both levels align exactly with the high and low of the previous day's session. In my chart, you can see that both levels are currently set to high. In this case, we therefore need to enter the difference between the previous day's high and the currently displayed yellow level as the offset. Level of interest is now set up correctly and you are ready to work with it. Wishing you every success in your trading.